it's not just big companies that can retrain and upgrade workers. So can SMEs. This is Chan Ban Kiong. He's 64, much older than Naharia. Ban Kiong has been in the marine industry for over 30 years. He works for Mencast Marine, which makes and repairs ship propellers. He used to make the ship propellers by hand. First, he crafts a mold out of sand to create a prototype propeller. Then he uses this aluminum prototype to make a second mold. Finally, he casts the bronze propeller itself. It's hard work, and it requires experience and skill. Mencast decided to increase productivity by using 3D printers to manufacture the propeller prototypes. But they still value the experienced eye of their older workers to ensure the quality of the work. So they are training Ban Kiong and 8 colleagues to operate their 3D printers. And all of them are over 60. Now their work will become safer and easier, and the production time will be faster by a third. So it's win-win-win for the workers, the company, and customers too. And that's the way it should be. Well done, Mencast and Ban Kiong. A-Star has a 3D printer which can print bone tissue scaffolds. And let me show you this picture. This is the printer behind. This is the monitor, and you can see the thing which is printing. It looks like a little rectangle with 2 holes in it. Those are the bone tissue scaffolds. What do you use it for? If you have a tooth extraction, after the dentist has taken the tooth out, you have a hole in your gum. You put this in, it helps the bone to grow back. And you can see this one. This one is about to come in, and on the left you can see there's one already done. So, one day a bionic person, but that's some distance off yet.